along for a trip to the dual island nation of Trinidad and Tobago. We arrive in the capital city, Port of Spain. We headed to our hotel for a good night of rest because we would have a very early wake-up call for something super exciting. We had a 4:30 a.m. pickup from our hotel to head to the Coroni bird sanctuary for a sunrise boat tour. Our boat departed at 5 a.m. in the dark, and we had our first animal sighting of caimans. Our guide pointed out birds along the way and was super knowledgeable.
The eye over there? Look. That's shining there.
We arrived at our destination just before sunrise and sat in silence waiting for the main attraction. We were positioned perfectly towards the Scarlet ibis observation point. The Scarlet ibis is a beautiful red bird and is also the national bird of Trinidad and Tobago. And the Caroni Bird Sanctuary has the largest colony of Scarlet ibis in the world. Right at sunrise, the magic happens as hundreds of the birds take flight to go and feed for the day before returning to the colony again at night. Trust me when I say the videos do not do it justice. We then enjoyed a beautiful sunrise breakfast, which included some roti, eggplant, green beans, potatoes, and some stewed veggies and fish. We started our journey back and we really got to experience the swamp and mangroves during the daylight. We headed back to our hotel for a little bit of rest after our early morning wake up. Enjoyed a shandy as we close out our second day in Trinidad and get ready to head to Tobago tomorrow for some beach time.